Hi guys, welcome back everybody. Woo! They passed the parcel. The kids are off school. Oh crap, a bit of a nightmare there. You're going to get wrong off YouTube for this. Right, we're going to unbox some goodies. It's the air filter box. I've been after one of these for a while. People were trying to charge silly money for them. I got this one for 35 quid all in. I found a place where I can get the air filters cheap as well, because people are trying to charge silly money for them on eBay as well. They passed the parcel. It's a carb rebuild kit. Exhaust gasket. There is other gaskets. Is that a water pump one? I mean, it's a water pump one. Oh, it's got the downpipe gasket in it as well. Right, let's take that rocker cover off. Cannot see the screws for the amount of dirt in there, so might as well give it a clean while I'm up here. Whoa, they've been in there a while. That one's loose. Well, the rocker gasket had definitely failed. There was loads of oil over the back of it and it was very flat and perished. Just giving the block a bit of a clean on the side there. Oh crap, I best get her in before she dissolves. Woo! It's coming down. Hello, it's now the next day and the kids are off school. So I'm going to set up shop in here and rebuild the car. Don't worry, I've got this under control. Right, set up shop in the living room or the sitting room or whatever people call it. And I'm going to rebuild or service the carb. Don't worry, I'm an expert. So let's remove this thingy and that thingy from that thingy. Right, let's give it a clean first. Let's fill the house full of chemicals. I used to inhale exhaust fumes when I was younger and it never affected me. Actually, let's take it outside and give it a clean. Actually, let's take off this air filter bend and the manifold first before we clean it. It's got this rubber gasket on it and I want to keep that, and the cleaner says that it can perish it, so let's take them off first.
Take me down to hell. I see your eyes, she analyzes the rest of me, and I'm feeling like I'm needing to fly. I gotta take it in my own hands, 'cause you take a part of me that I've never done before. I said we both agree that.
Woo, I'm glad I took it outside. That stuff is strong. Well, it's not clean enough to eat a dinner off it, but it's cleaned away a lot of the grime, so I can see the screws and that, and it's loosened up a lot of the parts on it. Let's take it apart and I'll pretend I know what I'm doing. Yeah, you sure? Sorry about that, guys. I went on a mission. I didn't film any of that. You know what it's like. So I managed to get the screws out of the top of this one, and the thing's welded on. It won't budge. I've tried twisting it, give it a tap of a rubber mallet. I don't want to go braying at it because it's only made out of aluminium. I might soak it in some release oil. Comment below any suggestions. The piston doesn't go very far up in that either. I don't know why. Investigate next time. This is the original carb off the car, and the choke bracket on it's fine. We thought it was broken because we surmised it was broken because there was a broken bit of choke bracket on the end of the cable in the car, but it's absolutely fine. So I went to take the top of this one. Two of the screws came loose, one won't budge and one sheared off, so having a bit of a nightmare there. This one is the other carb that I'd bought, and it's in really good condition, nice and loose, the screws, the top comes off and everything, but it's off a different car. It is the same model of carb, but different setup. It's got a B on the top of it. Comment below if anyone knows what car this originally came off. Maybe end up using this one, but I'd rather rebuild one of these ones. I know these are original HC ones. Anyway, I will not be defeated. One of them will work. Anyway, I've run out of time. Got to get the kids' tea ready and I'm back at work tomorrow. One more things to show you. Well, that was a complete fail, but anyone who mucks about with cars knows he could always be one seized bolt away from a nightmare. I've got 7 days off work coming up soon, so a couple of weeks, so hopefully get a good chunk of work done on the old girl. And I've got a big item on its way in the post for the Viva. Can anyone guess what it is? Probably going to get wrong off YouTube for this.
Commentary continues on 5 Sports Extra.
He's a test for bolter, but yeah, very disappointed.
Well, it didn't play any licensed music then anyway. Well, at least I got someone working today. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.